Is found to be at rest when seen from a frame S1 and moving with a constant velocity when seen from another frame S2. So mark out the possible options. So let's draw the diagram. A particle is found to be at rest when seen from the frame S1. Suppose this is the frame S1. Suppose this is the frame S1 and particle is found to be at rest. When particle is at rest, acceleration is 0. So in case of in frame S1, particle is at rest. If particle is at rest, acceleration is 0. And moving with constant velocity when seen from another frame S2. So this is another frame. This is another frame is S2. So this is another frame S2. So from this frame the particle is seen to be like moving. So let's draw another particle. So same particle, so we have to draw another diagram. So for the same particle is moving with the constant velocity. Particle is moving with constant velocity. Velocity is there. But velocity is constant. Particle is moving with constant velocity when seen from another frame S2. So that moving with constant velocity. If it is moving with constant velocity, acceleration equals to 0. If particle moving with constant velocity, acceleration equals to 0. In frame S1, particle is at rest, acceleration is 0. So which options are correct? Both the frames are inertial. Both the frames are non-inertial. S1 is inertial, S2 is non-inertial. S1 is non-inertial, S2 is inertial. So mark out the possible options. So when this particle is at rest, acceleration is 0. When particle moves with constant velocity is constant, acceleration is also 0. So which option is correct? So as particle is at rest, so when force acting on the body is 0, acceleration is 0. So this is the case of inertial frame. In case of inertial frame, when force acting on the body is 0, acceleration is 0. In case of inertial frame, when force acting on the body is 0, acceleration is also 0 in case of inertial frame. In case of non-inertial frame, when force acting on the body is non-zero, acceleration may be 0. In case of non-inertial frame of reference, when force acting on the body is 0, acceleration may be non-zero. So that is in case of non-inertial frame of reference. So there are two frames are there. According to frame 1, so when body is at rest, acceleration is 0. So that may be inertial frame of reference. So moving with constant speed, so acceleration is also 0. That may be inertial frame of reference. So from another point of view, when it is non-inertial frame of reference, that is when force is non-zero, acceleration may be 0. That is the case of non-inertial frame of reference. Or when force acting on the body is when force acting on the system is 0, acceleration is non-zero. That is the case of non-inertial frame of reference. So that indicates both the frames are inertial. So this option A is correct. Second, both the frames are non-inertial. So this option is correct. So option A is correct. Option B is also correct. So that is answer for question number 3.